Welcome to Scholarship Guidance Center. I am Anil Doshi sir, and today's topic is 10th Maths Part 1 Arithmetic Progression. Okay, arithmetic progression. First, what is meant by arithmetic progression? Okay, suppose we write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in an order. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are natural numbers, and we know that difference between any two natural number is always 1. Okay, now see, difference between 2 and 1 is 1, 3 and 2 is 1, 4 and 3 is 1. Here it is 5. Suppose 5 and 4 is also 1. Okay, suppose the numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. These are in which orders here? 1 is the square of 1, 4 is square of 2, 1 is square of 1, 1 square. Okay, 4 is 2 square, then 9 is 3 square, then this 9 is 3 square, 16 is 4 square, 25 is 5 square, 36 is 6 square, 49 is 7 square, and these are known as what? These are known as square numbers. Remember, these are square number. Okay, square numbers. Okay, these are square numbers. Then remember this thing, a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a डेफिनिट ऑर्डर. डेफिनिट ऑर्डर म्हणजे एका सेम ऑर्डरमध्ये जर अरेंज केलेले असतील, लाईक द नॅचरल नंबर्स इज कॉल्ड सिक्वेन्स. आता लाईक द नॅचरल नंबर असं का म्हटलंय बघा, हिअर द डिफरन्स बिटवीन टू कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह टर्म. कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह म्हणजे काय? एका नंतरचे एक, हां, एक के बाद एक, दॅट इज कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह. डिफरन्स जो आहे तो किती असला पाहिजे? डिफरन्स इज कॉन्स्टंट. देन अँड देन ओनली वी कॅन से दॅट इज in sequence, and that order is called as sequence. That means a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers is called a sequence. This is the definition of sequence, remember. Okay, and now see here pattern. Complete the given pattern. See here pattern. This is 1, 1, 0, therefore here write 1. 3 0 are there, write 3. Then 5 0 are there, write 5. Then 7 0. Now tell me, after 7 how many zeros are come? See here difference is 1 plus 3, 1 plus 2, that is 3, is it right? Then 3 plus 2, it is 5, 5 plus 2, that is 7. Now 7 plus 2, here it is 9. Okay, and we have to draw here how many circles? 9 circles. Okay, then 9 plus 2, 9 plus 2 is here 11. Then 11 plus 2, here it is 13. Okay, 13 plus 2, that is 15. Then 15 plus 2, that is 17, and so on. That means these all numbers are here odd numbers. These are what? Odd numbers. That is the set of odd numbers are in sequence. Set of odd numbers. Here we have to draw 9 circles. Then here 11 circles. Here 13 circles, then 15 circles, then 17 circles, and so on. Now see here pattern is given 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 5 triangles are there, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, therefore 8. Here it is 11. Okay, now see here difference between two consecutive term. Consecutive means suppose this is term first, I write this is T1. Okay, term first. Suppose I write this is T2. T2 means term second. Suppose I write here T3, term 3. Okay, here I write T4, term 4. Then here I write T5, that is term number 5. Then T6, T means term, remember, T6. Then T7, term 7. Okay, now see here difference between two term, that is T2 minus T1. T2 minus, then see here 5 plus 3 8. Okay, T2 minus T1, I write here T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1 means difference between two consecutive term. Okay, that is 8 minus 5, and 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, this difference is 3. Similarly, difference, find the difference between T3 minus T2. These are also consecutive. Consecutive म्हणजे कळलं, एका नंतरचे एक. That is 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is 8 plus 3 11. Difference is 3. Okay, similarly see here 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. Then 8 plus 3 is equals to 11. Then 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is 12, 13, and 14. Here it is T4 is 14. Again 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3, 17. T5 is 17. 17 plus 3. Then T6 is 17 plus 3, 20. Then 20 plus 3. Here it is 23. And so on. Again 23 plus 3. That is 26. Terms in a sequence. Okay. In a sequence, order terms are represented as T1, T2, T3 dot 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 Tn. In general sequence, it is written as Tn. Tn म्हणजे काय सांगतो? लास्ट टर्म. This last term is called as Tn. T1 is known as first term, or first term is also known as A. A means what? Remember, A is equals to first term. A is equals to first term. Okay. A means first term. Then T2 second term, T3 third term, T4 fourth term, in this way. Okay. Now see, some sequences are given below. Show the position of the terms by T1, T2, T3. Now see here, 9. 9 is what? T1. 15 is T2. 21 is T3. 27 is, I write here, T4. T4 is equals to 27 and so on. Okay. Now next is 7, 7, 7, 7. T1 is 7. T2 is also 7. T3 is 7. Then T4 is 7 and so on. Then now third is T1 is minus 2. T2 is minus 6. Then T3 is minus 10. Okay. And T4 is how much? T4 is minus 14 and so on. This is activity. Also activity second. Second activity is here. What is given here? Sequences are given 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Now see, difference between 1 and 4. 4 minus 1, difference is 3. 7 minus 4, difference is 3. 10 minus 7, difference is 3. 13 minus 10, difference is 3. Now see, 3 difference is there. Okay. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3, here it is 13. Okay. Then 13 के बाद क्या आएगा? 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3. Okay. Here it is. What you write? 13 plus 3. Okay. 13 plus 3. Here it is 16. Then here we have to write 16 plus 3. Okay. 16 plus 3. Here again box. And 16 plus 3 is 19 in the box. Similarly here 6, 12, 18, 24. Which is the table of 6. Okay. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6. How much? 18. 18 plus 6, 24. Then here it is 24 plus 6. Okay. 24 plus 6 is 30. Table of 6 is there. Then 30 के बाद क्या आएगा? 36. 6 6 are 36. That is 30 plus 6. Here it is 30 plus 6. That is 36 and so on. Then next third question is 3, 3, 3, 3. That means only 3. 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Here it also 3 plus 0. Here we have to write 3 plus 0 because 3 is common. Same number repeated. 3, 3. Here it is C 3 plus 0. Okay. Again here suppose box, then 3 plus 0. Again here it is 3 and so on. Okay. Now next is fourth one. 4 4 are 16. 16 4 are 64. Then 64 4 are means first number is multiplied by 4. Okay. Answer obtained is also multiplied by 4. Again answer obtained is multiplied by 4 and so on. Okay. Now see here 4 4 are 16. 16 4 are 64. Then 64 4 are 256. Is it right? 64 4 are 256. Again here it is 256 multiplied by 4. Okay. 256 multiplied by 4. Answer is 1024. 256 multiplied by 4. Answer is 1024. Again 1024. 1024 is multiplied by 4. Okay. And 1024 multiplied by 4. 24 4 are 96. Okay. 24 4 are 96. And 0 into 4 0. And 4 1 are 4. that is 4096. Then fifth one is here minus 1.5. Okay, now how it minus 1.5 minus 1 plus 0.5. Okay, then minus 1.5 plus 0.5 means answer of 10 plus 0.5. Remember, okay, minus 1.5 plus 0.5 is 5 plus 5 10, that is minus 2.0. okay, that is minus 2. Again minus 2 plus 0.5 minus 2.5. Minus 2.5 plus 0.5 answer is minus 3.0. Minus 3.0 means 3, minus 3. Then here it is 6. 1 square, 2 square, sorry 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube. Then which number comes? 4 cube. Then which number comes? 5 cube. Then next one is 6 cube. Okay, next one is 7 cube. Next one is 8 cube, and so on. That is your sequence. If the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, then it is called the common difference. Difference जो common असतो ना त्याला काय म्हणतात? common difference, and it is denoted by D. D means common difference. Remember, A is the first term. Remember, A small a म्हणजे काय असते? first term, किंवा त्याला काय बोलतो आपण? T1. मगाशी सांगितलं होतं मी T1. In the given sequence, if the difference between two consecutive terms, that is Tn plus 1 minus Tn. Tn plus 1 असं का घेतलं? Tn ही पहिली टर्म मानली, तर याच्या नेक्स्ट टर्म काय असणार? Tn च्या नंतर Tn plus 1, बरोबर? Tn plus 1. मग Tn plus 1 minus Tn हा जो डिफरन्स आहे इज कॉन्स्टंट. Then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. And in this sequence, Tn plus 1 minus Tn is equals to D. D means what? Common difference. D is the common difference. Remember. Let us remember. In a sequence, if difference Tn plus 1 minus Tn is constant, then the sequence is called arithmetic progression. This is the definition of arithmetic progression. In an arithmetic progression, the difference between two consecutive terms is constant, and it is denoted by D. Difference D can be positive, negative or zero. हा D जो आहे, either it is positive, negative or it can be zero. In an AP, if the first term is A and the common term difference is D, then the terms in the sequence are A plus D, A plus 2D, then A plus 3D, okay, A plus 4D, and so on. Practice set 3.1. Question number first. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First is 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I write first question 6, 8. I write here 2, 4, 6 and 8 dot dot dot, that is given. Okay, now see, first we have to write T1, T2, T3 and T4. Here write in this way. Here T1 is equals to 2. Okay, T1 is equals to 2. T2 is equals to 4. Then T3 is equals to 6 and T4 is equals to 8. Write in this way. T1, T2, T3 and T4. Now we have to find out difference between two consecutive terms. Consecutive term means T2 minus T1. I write here T2 minus T1 is equals to 4 minus 2, that is 2. Then T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 6. 6 minus 4 is again 2. Then T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, that is 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is also 2. Okay, means this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. That means I write here, see difference between any two terms is 2. That means this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, and hence the given sequence is an AP, and last answer is, and therefore common difference is 2. Okay, with question number second is 2, 5 by 2, 3 and 7 by 3. Here T1 is equals to 2, T2 is equals to 5 by 2, T3 is equals to 3 and T4 is equals to 7 upon 3, and so on. Now we have to find out common difference, that is T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, that is 5 by 2 minus 2. Okay, here it is 2 upon 1. Whenever nothing is there, write 1. 2 upon 1. Okay, now 5 1 ja 5 minus 2 2 ja 4 upon 2 1 ja 2. 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2. Again T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is 3 minus 5 by 2. Okay, now 3 2 ja 6 minus 5 upon 2, cross multiplication. 6 minus 5 1 by 2. Again T4 minus T3. T4 is 7 upon 3 minus T3 is 3 upon 1. Okay, now 7 1 ja 7 minus 3 3 ja 9 upon 3. 7 minus 9 is 7 8 9, that is minus 2 upon 3. Now see here, difference between two consecutive terms is constant or not constant? Not constant. Okay, I write here, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive term, okay, any two consecutive terms is not constant, and therefore, or I write hence the given sequence is not an AP. AP means what? Arithmetic progression. See here, given sequence is not an. Now see question number third. Third is minus 10, minus 6, minus 2 and 2 dot dot dot. Here T1 means first term, that is minus 10. T2 is minus 6. T3 is minus 2 and T4 is 2. Now I have to find out the common difference. Here common difference, that is T2 minus T1 minus 6 minus 10. आता हे ब्रॅकेट मध्ये का टाकले मी? मायनस साइन आहे म्हणून, बरोबर? म्हणजे काय? minus 6 minus minus plus 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Therefore T2 minus T1 is equals to 4. Then T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 2 minus minus 6. That is minus 2 minus minus plus 6. That is also equals to 4. Then T4 minus T3. T4 is 2 minus minus 2. Okay, that is 2 minus minus plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, now here common difference is, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Okay, hence the given sequence is an AP, and common difference is, I write here, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is how much? That is 4, and the common difference is 4. Right, in this way, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is. Now see here, question is 0.3, 0.33, 0.333. Okay, T1 is here, T1 is equals to 0.3, then T2 is equals to 0.33, T3 is equals to 0.333. Okay, now I have to find out T2 minus T1. T2 is 0.33, remember 0.33, minus T1 is 0.3, and subtraction is 3 as it is. 3 minus 3 0, 0 as it is, that is T2 minus T1 is equals to 0.03. remember this subtraction, See here 3 as it is. Here it is 0. Whenever nothing is there, we have to write 0. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. And 0 minus 0, 0. Then T3 minus T2. T3 is 0.333 minus T2 is 0.33. Okay. Now 3 as it is. 3 minus 3, 0, 0 and 0. That is T3 minus T2 is equals to 0.003. Now see here T3 minus T2. See here T3 minus T2 is not equals to T2 minus T1. That means common difference is not same. Okay, and therefore I write this shows that I write here this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms, okay, terms is not constant, and hence the given sequences are therefore hence the given sequence is not an AP. ही AP नाही. का नाही? Because the difference between two consecutive terms. Then next one is 0, minus 4, minus 8. Question number 5 is 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12 and dot dot dot. Here T1 is equals to 0, T2 is equals to minus 4, T3 is equals to minus 8 and T4 is equals to minus 12. Now we have to find out T2 minus T1. T2 is minus 4 minus 0, that is minus 4. Then T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 8 minus 4, that is minus 8 minus plus 4. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4. Greater number minus smaller number, sign of greater number. Then T4 minus T3. T4 is minus 12 minus T3 is minus 8, that is minus 12 minus plus 8. Minus 12 plus 8 is minus 4. Here see difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Okay, here difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Okay, and therefore I write here, see, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive terms is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and we have to write what we have to write, that is common difference. Okay, and common difference is how much? Common difference D is minus 4. Common difference D. Now see question number 6. Minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5. Here T1 is equals to, very easy, minus 1 upon 5. T2 is equals to minus 1 upon 5. And T3 is equals to minus 1 upon 5. Now T2 minus T1, that is minus 1 upon 5 minus, here minus 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 5. Okay, now here minus 1 by 5 minus plus 1 by 5. Now see minus 1 plus 1, answer is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 upon 5 is 0, because 0 upon something is 0. Now T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. T3 is minus 1 upon 5 minus T2 is also minus 1 upon 5, that is minus 1 upon 5 plus 1 upon 5. Here also 0. Now see your difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Okay, I write here, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive term is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and the common difference is, common difference D is how much? 0. Common difference D is Now question number 6 is 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and 3 plus 3 root 2. Now here t1 is equals to 3, t2 is equals to 3 plus root 2, t3 is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 and t4 is equals to 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, t5 is 3 plus 4 root 2 in this way and so on. We have to find out difference between two consecutive terms, that is t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1. t2 is 3 plus root 2 minus t1 is 3. Now see here 3 minus 3 0 and remaining is root 2. Again t3 minus t2. Okay, t3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus t2 is, write in bracket, 3 plus root 2. Why I write this bracket? Because bracket के बाहर क्या है, minus sign, and therefore we should write the second term in bracket, that is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now minus sign outside the bracket, sign in the bracket must be changed. 3 plus है तो क्या होगा, minus 3, plus changes to minus root 2. Okay, now see here 3 minus 3, 3 plus 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. 2 root 2, here it is, nothing is there, 1 root 2, 2 minus 1, 1 root 2, that is root 2, and that means t3 minus t2 is also root 2. Now we have to find out t4 minus t3. t4 minus t3. t4 is how much? t4 is 3 plus 3 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus t3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now 3 plus 3 root 2 as it is, 3 plus 3 root 2 as it is, minus 3, minus plus minus 2 root 2, 3 minus 3 gets cancelled. Now 3 minus 2 is 1 and root 2 as it is, that is root 2. That means t4 minus t3 is root 2. Now see here, difference between any two consecutive term is root 2, see here, root 2 and root 2, that is constant, and therefore your answer is, this shows that the difference between, see here I write here in this way, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive term is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and what we have to write, and common difference, and common difference D is how much, root 2, and common difference D. Here question is question number 8 in first question, 127, 132, 137. Here t1 is equals to 127, t2 is equals to 132 and t3 is equals to 137 and so on. Now we have to find out the common difference D, that is t2 minus t1. t2 minus t1, 132 minus 127. Answer is greater number minus smaller number, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, that is 5. Then t3 minus t2, t3 minus t2, 137 minus 132, this is also 5. That means difference between any two consecutive term is constant. Okay, therefore I write here, this shows that the difference between any two consecutive term is constant, hence the given sequence is an AP, and common difference D is how much? Common difference D is 5. D means what? t2 minus t1. That write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D. आता बघा फर्स्ट टर्म दिलाय A म्हणजे काय सांगा, t1 दिलाय, बरोबर, आपल्याला t1 दिलाय, t1 म्हणजेच काय असतो, आपला A असतो. ओके, अँड डिफरन्स, कॉमन डिफरन्स D दिलाय, बरोबर ना. आता काय गिवन आहे ते लिहून घेऊया आपण. t1 इज इक्वल्स टू A इज इक्वल्स टू 10 अँड D इज इक्वल्स टू 5, दॅट इज गिवन, D इज इक्वल्स टू 5. हाऊ टू फाइंड आउट t2. बघा मग आता t1 म्हणजेच A म्हणजे फर्स्ट टर्म कशी लिहिता येईल, t1 इज इक्वल्स टू 5, तर लिहितो मी, दिलं नाही त्यांनी, t1 इज इक्वल्स टू 5, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 5. Then we have to find out second term. How to find out second term? T2 is equals to T1 plus D. Remember this formula, T1 plus D. D का add केला, that is the common difference, that is given. D is equals to 5. Okay, T1 is 10. T1 is given, no, T1 is not 5, remember, sorry, it is 10. T1 is 10, that is given, no, T1 is 10, and therefore I write here 10 plus D is how much? 5, that is 10 plus 5, 15. Then T3, how to find out T3? T2, that means this 15 plus D, remember, 15 plus D, that is T2 plus D, 15 plus 5, 20. Then T4, T3 plus D, 20 plus 5, that is 25. Then we have to find out how many terms? First term A and common difference D in each of the following. Write an AP. आता AP लिहायची आहे. तर आता AP कशी येईल बघा. पहिला काय येणार? फर्स्ट टर्म इज 10 आहे ना, फर्स्ट टर्म इज 10. देन सेकंड टर्म इज 15. ओके. देन थर्ड टर्म इज 20 and fourth term is 25 and so on. Okay, I write here, therefore arithmetic progression is 10, 15, 20 to be upon. Now see second question. A is minus 3 and D is 10. A is minus 3 means what? T1 is equals to, here T1 is equals to minus 3. I write A is equals to T1 is equals to minus 3. I write here again T1 means first term is equals to minus 3. Remember, first term is minus 3. T2 is equals to T1 plus D. Okay, same formula, T1 plus D, minus 3 plus D is 0, minus 3. T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. T4 is equals to T3 plus D, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3. Then if I want to write T5, T5 is equals to how much? T4 plus D. Remember, T5 is T4 plus D. T4 is minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 plus 0, that is minus 3. Okay, and that means each and every term of this sequence is, or this progression is minus 3, and therefore we can write, therefore arithmetic progression is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 and so on. The next question is A is equals to minus 7 and D is equals to 1 by 2. Here T1 is equals to, see, T1 means first term is equals to how much? Minus 7, because we know that A is equals to T1. Okay, then T2 is equals to how much? T2 is equals to T1 plus D. Okay, T1 plus D. T1 is minus 7. Okay, minus 7 plus D is 1 by 2. Now minus 7 plus 1 by 2, I put here minus 7 plus 1 by 2. Now remember, here it is cross multiplication, that is 7 to the 14, minus 14 plus 1. Okay, minus 14 plus 1 upon 2, upon 2. Minus 14 plus 1 is minus 13 upon 2, that is your T2. Here T2 is minus 13 upon 2. Minus 13 upon 2 means what? 6.5. How it is 6.5? Here 13 divided by 2. Okay, 2 6 are 12, and 12 plus 1 13, 0 point, and 2 5 are 10, therefore 6.5. Minus sign is there, therefore minus 6.5. Okay, or easy method, 1 by 2 means what? 1 by 2 means 0.5. Remember, 1 by 2 means 0.5. Add 0.5 every time. Minus 7 plus 1 by 2 means 0.5, and therefore minus 7 plus 0.5 minus 6.5. Now T3 is equals to T2 plus D. T2 is minus 6.5 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Now see, minus 6.5, minus 6.5 and plus 0.5 means we have to subtract 0.5 from 6.5. 5 minus 5, 0 point, and minus 6 as it is, that is minus 6.0. Here minus 6.0. Again T4 is equals to how much? T3 plus D. T3 is minus 6 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Okay, now minus 6 plus 0.5 means minus 6 means, remember, minus 6.0. Remember this, and 0.5. Subtract smaller number from greater number. 10 minus 5, 5 point, एंड 6 का कितना होगा 5, 5 minus 0 is 5 and minus sign is there, therefore here it is minus 5.5 and therefore arithmetic progression is first term is how much minus 7. See here, first term is minus 7, second term is minus 6.5, third term is minus 6 and fourth. Next one is a is equals to minus 1.25, that means your t1 is equals to minus 1.25, that is your t1, remember, okay, and d is 3. t2 is how to find out t2, t1 plus d, okay. Now t1 is minus 1.25 plus d is 3. Now how to calculate this? 3 minus 1.25, that means 3.00, okay, minus 1.25. subtract this, 100 minus 25 is 75 and 3 का कितना होगा 2, 2 minus 1 is 1 and therefore this answer is 1.75, okay. Again t3 is equals to t2 plus d, t2 means 1.75 plus d means 3. Now this is very easy, 3 plus 1 is 4.75. Again t4 is t3 plus d, t3 is 4.75 plus d is 3. Now 4 plus 3, here 4 plus 3, 7.75 and therefore arithmetic progression is first term is minus 1.25, then 1.75, 4.75 and 7.75 and so on, dot 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 means so on. Question number 3, a is equals to 6, d is equals to minus 3. A means what? Term first, that is t1. t1 is equals to 6. How to find out t2? t1 plus d, t1 is 6 plus d is minus 3. Here 6 plus minus 3. 6 plus minus 3 means 6 minus 3, remember. Plus minus minus, therefore 6 minus 3. And t2 is 3. Here, I write here, t2 is equals to t1 plus d. 6 plus minus 3, that is 6 minus 3, 3, okay. t3 is equals to t2 plus d. t2 is 3 plus d is minus 3. Now plus minus minus, that means 3 minus 3. हे कळतं ना, प्लस मायनस मायनस होतं म्हणजे 3 minus 3 आन्सर इज 0. अगेन t4 is equals to t3 plus d. t3 is how much? t3 is 0. 0 plus d is minus 3 and 0 plus minus minus 3, therefore minus 3 and therefore arithmetic progression is 6, 3, 0, minus 3 and so on. Then question number 6 is a is equals to minus 19, d is equals to minus 4. That means a means what? t1. t1 is equals to minus 19, remember, okay. Now t2 is equals to t1 plus d. t1 means minus 19 plus minus 4. मायनस मायनस काय होतं? प्लस आणि साइन ऑफ मायनस म्हणजे काय येणार? minus 19. t2 is equals to t1 plus d. minus 19 plus minus 4, that is minus 19 minus 4, okay. Plus minus minus, minus minus plus sign of minus. 19 plus 4 is 23. Again t3 is equals to t2 plus d. t2 is minus 23 plus minus 4, that is minus 23 plus minus 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 4. Minus 23 minus 4 is minus 27. Then t4 is equals to t3 plus d. t3 is minus 27 plus d is minus 4, that is minus 27 plus minus minus 4. Minus minus plus sign of minus. 23 plus 4 is 31. Sign of minus, that is minus 31 and therefore your arithmetic progression is minus 19 minus 23, then minus 27 and minus 31 and so on. That is the question number. Then question number 3, find the first term and the common difference for each of the following AP. Now see here, very easy. First term is what? We know first term is t1, okay. t1 is your first term. That means very easy. First question answer is, see, this is 5. 5 means first term, that is a is equals to 5, that is equals to t1, okay. t1 is equals to first term is equals to a is equals to 5. Then we have to find out common difference. How to find out common difference? Difference between two consecutive terms. That is, suppose this is t1, t2, t3 and t4, okay. Now t2 minus t1. t2 means 1. 1 minus 5, that is your common difference. 1 minus 5, greater number minus smaller number. 5 minus 1 is 4. and sign of greater number, that is -4 is your common difference. Now see how to solve this. T1 is equals to A is equals to pi, T1 1, T1 pi, T2 1, T3 -3 and T4 -7. For an AP, common difference D is equals to, what is the formula for D? Tn plus 1 minus Tn. Tn plus 1 ने समजतं ना, पहिली टर्म समजा 1 असेल तर दुसरी 2 असते. 2 कशी झाली तर 1 plus 1, कळतंय काय ते 1 plus 1. ओके, इफ आय राईट n instead of 1 then this is n and this is n plus 1 म्हणजे 2. कळलं? T2 minus T1, that is Tn plus 1 minus Tn. ओके, that means difference is equals to T2 minus T1, 1 minus 5. 1 minus 5 is -4. Again T3 minus T2, T3 is -3, -3 minus -1, -3 minus 1. Okay, plus 1, no, -3 minus 1, that is -4. Minus minus plus, sign of -4. Now D is equals to T3 minus T2, that is also -4. That means first term is 5 and common difference is -4. Common difference D is -4. Now second example is 0.6, 0.9, 1.2 and 1.5. Now see here, this is T1. Your first answer is over. T1 means first term is 0.6. T1 is equals to A is equals to 0.6. That is first answer, your first answer 0.6. Then this is T2, this is T3, this is T4. We have to find out common difference. Okay, first write T1, T2, T3 and T4. Then for an AP, common difference D is equals to Tn plus 1 minus Tn, that is difference is equals to T2 minus T1. T2 is 0.9 minus T1 is 0.6. 0.9 minus 0.6 is 0.3. Again T3 minus T1, that is 1.2 minus 0.9, that is also 0.3. Again T4 minus T3, T4 is T4 minus T3, right, this one also T4 minus T3, that is D. Okay, T4 is how much? T4 is 1.5 minus 1.2 and 1.5 minus 1.2 is 1 minus 1 0, 5 minus 2 is 3, that is also 0.3. Now see, common difference is 0.3 and therefore your first term A is 0.6 and common difference D is 0.3. Now see next question, 127, 135, 143, 151. This is your A. A means what? First term. Okay, T1 is equals to A is equals to first term is equals to 127. This is T2, T3 and T4, right, in this way. Now see T1, T2, T3, T4. Now for an AP, D is equals to Tn plus 1 minus Tn, that is T2 minus T1. T2 is 135 minus T1 is 127. 135 minus 127, that is 8. Then T3 minus T2, T3 is 143 minus T2 is 135, this is also 8. Then again D is equals to how much? T4, write this thing also, T4 minus T3. T4 is how much? T4 is 151 minus T3 is 143. Okay, 151 minus 143, that is also 8. And therefore first term is 127 and common difference is 8. Common difference D is 8. Next question is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4. Now see, 1 by 4 is your first term, that is A. Okay, A is equals to first term is equals to 1 by 4. First question answer is over. Now second, we have to find out common difference. Okay, write T1, T2, T3, T4. Then for an AP, D is equals to Tn plus 1 minus Tn, because second term minus first term. Okay, that is T2 minus T1. T2 is how much? See here, T2 is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Now denominator is common, same. Denominator same असेल तर काय करायचं? न्यूमरेटरची सबट्रॅक्शन, that is 3 minus 1 upon 4. 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 4. Here 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, that is 1 by 2. Again T3 minus T2. T3 is 5 by 4 minus T2 is 3 by 4. Denominators are same. 5 minus 3, that is 2 by 4. Again 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, then we have to write T4 minus, again T4 minus T3. Okay, T4 minus T3. D is equals to T4 minus T3. T4 is how much? 7 by 4. Okay, minus T3 is 5 by 4. 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4. 7 by 4 minus 5 by 4 is 7 minus 5. 2 upon 4. 2 upon 4 means 2 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4 1 by 2. Now see, common difference is 1 by 2 and therefore you have to write first term A is equals to 1 by 4 and common difference D is 1 by 2. This ends your practice. बोलू नको मुझे.